I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me.
Oh boy.
You notice they don't chew? Grab, swallow.
Welcome guys. Right now I'm at the St. Elizabeth Safari. The Craftsman right here just outside. And so on the safari we're gonna see the real crocodile a little bit from this. But here you can get a souvenir to go back. Welcome to Mangrove Avenue. This part of the journey is extremely beautiful, with mangroves on both sides of the safari. So when you're taking the tour, just take a stop and just enjoy the pure beauty of Mangrove Avenue. This one here is the Rasta Mangrove. Big up all my Rastafarian friends. So beautiful heron right there, is so friendly. They legalize weed, so this heron is high right now.
Don't go about thinking. Put the bait in coconut and cow skin for bait. So they swim in, they go in and they cannot get out. To get them out, they hold and twist and then open, and they shake them out. Simple but very effective. The design came to Jamaica from West Africa over 300 years ago. So you come out here in the early morning, you see the fishermen in their little boat, and there's a canoe they made from a cottonwood tree, dug out. They put it all over the river in the little channel and go and set those traps.
Alright, got to capture this moment now. There's 2 boats here on the safari. 3, third one coming. And here's our friend Willie right here. There's Willie. We're feeding Willie. Our friend Willie right here. And my friends over there. Say hi, friends. Hi. Yeah. And then the next boat right there. And we're on the Black River Safari. We're just enjoying life here on the south coast, Jamaica. Most beautiful place on earth, Jamaica. And Black River was one of the first places in the Western Hemisphere to get electricity, hydroelectricity. Okay? So that's just some fun facts for you. The boat tour, Black River Safari. It's cruising on the safari along the Black River. And all good things must come to an end. So we're back and enjoy the rest of the vlog.
So please, remember South Coast, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica.
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chin up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. Hurting in my soul, shaking through my
Welcome to the YS Falls, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. This beautiful natural-based attraction has a total of 7 waterfalls, which cascades into natural pools, all surrounded by rocks, and the property is all surrounded by lush green vegetation. So whenever you're in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, please ensure to check out the YS Falls. All right, enjoy.
away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face that shit another day. We go bottoms up. We go bottoms up.
That's it, guys. Our last stop for today is the Holland Bamboo, located in Lacovia, St. Elizabeth. It's 4 kilometers of lush green bamboos arching across the main road. It's just a sight to behold. So whenever you're in Lacovia, take a stop at the Harlan Bamboo. There are tons and tons of vendors. Take a stop, check it out, purchase something from the vendors, and just enjoy, all right? Thank you so much for watching this video. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, all right? Peace out. See you. Welcome to St. Elizabeth.